Okay, Troy, you want to tell them about it?
Oh, I can't even begin to think about it.
We went to Eden Garden State Park, as we mentioned earlier. We did actually go, and it was quite beautiful.
Yeah, very nice.
Really pretty, pre-war mansion, I guess, pre-Civil War, whatever the description was. Beautiful, huge trees covered in moss. It was quite lovely. So we decided to take the nature trail.
Yeah.
One word of advice: don't go on the nature trail. It was awful. It was awful. Tell them about it, Troy.
We just got lost. I mean, follow the little ribbons across the creek. Just got lost.
Well, they weren't good. It wasn't a trail. Like, they had little orange ribbons. Like, it was a good-sized road up to a point. And then there was a sign there that said nature trail this way. And you couldn't, like, the road went on beyond the sign, but it's like you weren't allowed down there. So we went this way. We followed the sign. And there were just...
Oh!
Did we kill that bird?
Oh!
Oh!
We just totally hit
You
a
hit
bird.
that bird!
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
We seriously just killed a bird.
I don't think there was any we involved in it. You're the one driving.
Oh man.
See, you're the one behind the wheel.
We killed that bird.
Okay, well, needless to say, don't go on the nature trail.
Don't hit birds either.